Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos loaded easy method. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and arrange tortilla chips in a single layer on a baking sheet. Sprinkle a generous even layer of shredded cheese, add cooked beans or seasoned meat, and dot with pickled jalapenos. Bake 3 to 7 minutes until cheese is bubbly, then add fresh toppings like diced tomatoes, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime before serving immediately. In this video, I will show how to make nachos loaded, easy method. Use sturdy corn chips and layer a third of the cheese between chip layers to ensure even melting throughout. Scatter cooked meat or beans in the middle layer to anchor toppings, and reserve fresh items like avocado and sour cream until after baking. Finish with chopped cilantro and a lime squeeze to brighten flavors and keep textures vibrant for serving. In this video, I will show how to make nachos loaded, easy method. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you snack with the Owala water bottle. It seals tight and looks great next to a plate of nachos. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like so I know to make more easy recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make nachos loaded, easy method. Try combining sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack for gooey melt and bold flavor, and choose a protein like shredded chicken or spicy ground beef for heartiness. Layer on pickled jalapenos and pico de gallo after baking, and finish with sliced green onions and a dollop of sour cream or guacamole for creaminess that balances the heat before serving hot to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.